Step-by-step procedure for cutting 60-degree threads on lathe machine. Procedure to set up a lathe for threading 60-degree thread. Set lathe speed to 1/4 speed used for turning. Set quick change gearbox for required pitch. In threads per inch or in millimeters. Engage lead screw. Secure 60-degree threading tool bit and check angle using thread center gauge. Set compound rest at 29 degree to right. Set to left for left hand thread. Set cutting tool to the height of lathe center point. Mount the work between centers. Make sure lathe dog is tight on work. If work mounted in chuck, it must be held tightly. Set tool bit at right angles to work using thread center gauge. Arrange apron controls to allow split nut lever to be engaged. Thread cutting operation. Procedure to cut a 60-degree thread. Check major diameter of work for size. Start lathe and chamfer end of workpiece with side of threading tool to just below minor diameter of thread. Mark length to be threaded by cutting light groove at the point with threading tool while lathe revolving. Move carriage until point of threading tool is near right hand end of work. Turn cross feed handle until threading tool is close to diameter, but stop when handle is at 3 o'clock position. Hold cross feed handle in this position and set graduated collar to 0. Turn compound rest handle until threading tool lightly marks work. Move carriage to right until bit clears end of work. Feed compound rest clockwise about 0.003 inches. Engage split nut lever on correct line of thread chasing dial and take trial cut along length to be threaded. At end of cut, turn cross feed handle counterclockwise to move tool bit away from work and disengage split nut lever. Stop lathe and check the number of threads per inch with thread pitch gauge, rule or center gauge. After each cut, turn carriage hand wheel to bring tool bit to start of thread and return cross feed handle to 0. Set depth of all threading cuts with compound rest handle. Apply cutting fluid and take successive cuts until top crest and bottom root of thread are of same width. Remove burrs from top of thread with file. Check thread with master nut and take further cuts. Six ways to check threads. Depends on accuracy required. Master nut or screw. Thread micrometer. Thread wires. Thread roll or snap gauge. Thread ring or plug gauge. Optical comparator.